Afternoon all. I'm Carl, Scooter Boy 1970, and this is my next project on the go, 1960 Series 2 Lambretta Roll 125. Loads of people have said leave it as it is, but personally I think it's a little bit too far gone for me to leave. As those that know me know, I like to have a fairly nice looking scooter. That's the steed that I use every day. And that's my Spanish 1955 125N, and that's a workshop. Bit of a mess, but hey ho, that's what it is. It's totally standard. Looks like it's been in the bottom of a lake somewhere, so this could be interesting. The suspension's knackered. All the cables are crusty and rusty, and that looks like it's going to be interesting to get that undone. But Plus Gas should help me out. As I said, totally standard 125. All new wiring, cables, probably all the internals of the engine's going to be new. So hopefully shouldn't be too long. Yeah, I know, famous last words. This come from Lambretta Finder, Sam the maker. Sorry if I pronounced your name wrong, Sam, if you ever get to watch this. I have pretty much all the parts for it. The horn was on it. Horn cover badge was on it. No headlight, but I've got one. Got a new light switch. SIP Speedo going in it. Well, for now it is anyway. If it was anything like the one on the old Vespa, that went in the bin. The camera keep knocking about everywhere. Not sure whether to have single saddles like it's got on it now, or a bench seat. It's not going to have a standard light on it, it's going to have a different type of light, but all will be revealed in time. I think the first thing to do really is get that engine out and buy lots of Dremel discs, because it's definitely going to need it. Anyway, I'll get it on the bench and show you some more. Airbox is coming out. Nice and rusty under there. I think a good blast won't cure or kill. Some JB ramp extensions from old John Betts, JB Fabrications. Search him out on Facebook. Yeah, a bit crusty under there, I know, isn't it? We'll be having a Spanish turning front mudguard. Horn cast grill I've got. I took that off. One of a few screws that actually came undone on its own. Nice rusty mudguard embellisher. Headlight gone, as it said. Got one though. All the screws are broken. See that? Broken. all under there. Even the switch housing, screw for that's broke. The light. Right. Catch up with you again soon. Take it easy.